everybody, Adam Christofferson here with Winnebago Towables. Today we are in the 2018 Minnie Plus fifth wheel 25 RKS. The Minnie Plus fifth wheel is the newest member to our Minnie family for 2018. The 25 RKS is not, but it is a nice floor plan that we have carried over into this rebranded half-ton fifth wheel. So on the front cap, we have it to stay in line with the Minnie Plus family, so you have a nice one-piece molded front cap with the black paint and the LED lighting. Nice feature to this is that the pin box area is beefed up for an aftermarket pivoting pin box. We've also have the NXG frame, the BAL chassis there, which now gives the beefed up 2x2 boat hitch receiver on the back. That is something new and a nice standard feature. That is something that the NXG manufacturers are putting on directly from them. Some other nice features that we have now that have gone standard are the 15K standard roof AC. You can still get an optional second AC in the bedroom, which we'll hit on, but that is a ducted roof AC. We also now have a 10-gallon water heater standard, 8-cubic refrigerator standard, and solid surface countertop standard. We will hit on all of those and more as we go throughout this, but for now, we'll start in the back of the kitchen galley area here in the 25 RKS. Alright, we are in the kitchen galley area here of the 25 RKS Minnie Plus fifth wheel, and as I mentioned, a new upgraded standard feature is the solid surface countertop. We do have two solid surface sink covers here in a nice undermount sink, giving you flush countertop here for more countertop space. Nice deep counter space, and with two windows to get that natural light in here. You have an upgraded spout with a high mount spout and removable sprayer. You can see here it has the same identity and look as our Minnie Plus travel trailer on the inside, with the nice lighter color wood bringing that into the Minnie family. We also have the flush mount range top here with a glass cooktop and oven here for all of your cooking. Ample amount of cabinet and counter storage space here in your kitchen galley area. And as I mentioned earlier as well, you have a standard 8-cubic foot refrigerator now. So what's nice about this rear kitchen galley area is you can go right out the entrance door onto your campsite. You're not going to be interrupting any of your living area, so it does flow really well for the people who like to do a lot of their outdoor entertaining. And speaking of the entrance door area here, this is actually a new entrance door that we have. It is a friction hinge door, no more strut or no more plastic clip to hold that door open. Nice friction hinge will prevent it from getting caught in the wind. It also has an integrated built-in shade in it as well for privacy. And then we've got a self-retracting, self-closing screen door here. And as you're coming in and exiting, we've got the new solid entrance step as well. So those are some nice features of the kitchen galley area here in the 25 RKS. Now we're in the living galley area of the 2018 Minnie Plus fifth wheel 25 RKS. I am seated here on the standard sofa sleeper for accommodating any additional overnight guests. Directly across from me in the slide room is a standard dinette, which will also have good storage underneath the dinette seat cushions. The table can fold down for making that dinette into additional sleeping. And also a nice feature is the table is removable, so you can take it out the entry door and put it underneath the power awning on your campsite there. Also available in the slide room is a table and 4 chairs as an option. Standard, you will have a TV with your CD, DVD player, Bluetooth. You'll have nice storage above and below the TV area. And then you'll have ample amount of storage space with overhead storage above the sofa and a nice chest of cabinet here up just to the side of the sofa sleeper. And then as we transition into the hallway, you'll also see more storage space in the hallway there. So join me as we continue on to the bedroom bathroom area of the 25 RKS. Alright, we're in the bathroom area of the 25 RKS Minnie Plus fifth wheel. Nice feature is it has a dual entry, so you can enter from the hallway or coming from the living galley area, or you do have the private entrance from the bedroom area. What's nice is you have a larger stainless steel sink. It's got a dual bowl or a single bowl, but it's deeper. You've got a nice storage below and then a nice medicine cabinet above. As you can see, nice soft white LED lighting. You have a nice size shower in here with glass shower door, and it does open or retract within itself, so it does not swing out and take away any of your usable space here. You have a nice power vent fan, so you get proper ventilation in the bathroom as well. So that's the features of the bathroom here. Come with me as we transition into the bedroom of the 25 RKS Mini Plus fifth wheel. All right, we're in the bedroom area here of the 2018 Mini Plus fifth wheel 25 RKS. You'll have a 60 by 80 walk around queen bed here, so you can get up and actually move around to make your bed. You'll notice you'll have a nice headboard. You'll also have a storage above the bed with 110 and USB and dual night light or reading lights there. You will have 2 hanging shirt closets on each side of the bed with 2 pull-out drawers for additional storage space. There's also nice storage located underneath the bed here with 2 gas struts to easily raise and lower that. You can notice that this particular model does have the optional second bedroom AC. This is a non-ducted for the option. As I mentioned earlier, the Mini Plus fifth wheel product is standard equipped with the 15K fully ducted AC. But for some of those warmer climates, you can add this second non-ducted roof AC to the bedroom area. For nice natural light and cross ventilation, we also have windows on each side to get all of that flowing through the bedroom area here. So those are the features and highlights of the bedroom of the 25 RKS fifth wheel. Join me back in the living area for a recap of the 25 RKS. All right, we're back in the dinette area here, recapping the 2018 Mini Plus fifth wheel 25 RKS. The Mini Plus fifth wheel, again, like I said, is new to Winnebago towables for 2018. We rebranded it. It is a half-ton towable. It is into the Mini family now, so it does share the bold exterior colors, that T60 high gloss gel coat from Crane. Very high gloss. Helps give us that brand identity with our bold, unique colors. What we talked about, that front cap, nice continuity with the Mini Plus travel trailer with the black front paint and the LED lighting. Another highlight to talk about is that standard 2x2 receiver on the back that NXG beefed up the frame for us. We also talked about some of the things that are now standard or enhancements versus previous models 25 RKS, such as the ducted roof AC, 15K, solid surface countertops, 8 cubic foot refrigerator, 10-gallon water heater. All of those features now included standard for you. We've included USB charge ports, solar prep, beefing up that pin box area for an aftermarket pivoting pin box. So a lot of nice features going into redesigning this product for 2018. We talked about this, as I mentioned, being a half-ton towable, but we also have included adjustable rear axle hangers. So if somebody does have a 3/4 ton truck, you can adjust those rear axle hangers, get it up to a more level or safe towing ground there, towing plane there. So thank you for taking time today and joining me. Again, my name is Adam Christofferson with Winnebago Towables. This has been the 2018 Mini Plus fifth wheel 25 RKS.